Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi le 1er mai. Finalement, c'est mai. Il faut travailler à Duolingo. C'est pour aujourd'hui le 1er mai. So today, you should work on Duolingo for 10 minutes, and it is due today. So complete whatever you need to do so you finished all your 100 XP for today. So we are going to do an activity to bring all the vocabulary together. You're going to look at a picture and tell a little story about the picture, answering these questions as you tell the story. Read the questions in French and write next to it what it is you're saying in English. On y va. En quel mois? En quel mois? C'est où? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quelle activité? Quelle activité? Qu'est-ce qui va passer? Qu'est-ce qui va passer? So here's an example, and the pictures are all from different French-speaking countries. This one's au Québec, au Québec. So we're going to say what month we think it is, where they are, what the weather is like, what they're doing, and what we think they'll do later. So I wrote the sentences on the side, and this is what you would have written for a picture like this. C'est janvier, ils sont à la montagne, il fait froid, ils font du ski, plus tard, ils vont au café. So again, you see how all those elements are in there, and you have to put them into full sentences. Here's another picture au Québec. So first you want to take a look at the picture. You can see that they're at a skating rink, right? And they're ice skating together. So we're going to, again, fill in now the blanks so you can kind of see where you're going to put stuff in. And we're going to do this one together. Make sure you write this or type this into a Google Doc because it's expected that you will turn in this paragraph today for your assignment. So first we pick a month, and because it's winter, I'm just going to pick February. C'est février. C'est février. Next, I want to say the place. So they're at the ice rink. Ils sont à la, that's what that little blank is for, patinoire. Ils sont à la patinoire. Next, I need a sentence about the weather. Well, it looks like it's pretty cold because it's an ice rink outside. So I'm going to say, il fait froid. Then, again, what are they doing? They're ice skating, so I'm going to write that activity. They're ice skating. Ils font du patin à glace. Patin à glace. And last, what do I think they're going to do later? Well, you get pretty cold ice skating, so maybe they also would like to warm up at a cafe later. Plus tard, ils vont au café. Okay? When you type this up or write this on paper, make sure you include all of the words. C'est février. Ils sont à la patinoire. Il fait froid. Ils font du patin à glace. Plus tard, ils vont au café. You don't have to include the stuff in parentheses. All right, we're going to do another one together. This again is au Québec. You can see that they're at a lake. Looks like it's pretty warm out because people are outside sunbathing, they're swimming, they're having picnics, and we can include that in our paragraph. So, c'est, because it's summer, I'm going to pick a summer month. I'm going to pick July. C'est juillet. Ils sont au lac. So they're at the lake. Again, I need the little word au because I need to say they're at the lake, au lac. Weather, it's warm out, right? Because they're outside. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. I could have said il fait beau, it's nice out. I could have said il y a du soleil. I have a few choices there. And what is everybody doing? So I think I'm going to put that they're swimming just because some people are doing that. I could say they're sunbathing, they're having picnics, but I think I'm going to keep it simple. Il nage. Il nage. And what's going to happen later? So they're at the beach, they're eating at the beach. I think later they're just going to go home to take a shower. Plus tard, ils vont à la maison. Plus tard, ils vont à la maison. Again, when you write this up on your paper or in your Google Doc, make sure you include all the words. C'est juillet, ils sont au lac, il fait chaud, ils nagent. Plus tard, ils vont à la maison. All right, for this last slide. This is en France, and this lady is here. She's at a famous museum. So in case you couldn't tell where they were, it's an outdoor museum called Le Rodin, Le Musée du Rodin, the Rodin Museum in English. So you are going to do this one on your own. Write a sentence about the month that you think it is. It's, you know, she's not wearing a lot of clothes, but she's wearing a sweater, so maybe it's sometime in the fall. Say where she is. She's at the museum, so make sure you include the word for at. The weather, looks like it's nice out, right? Also sunny, there's also clouds. Think about what she's doing, right? She seems to be taking pictures. So how would you say she's taking pictures? And then think about what she wants to do later. Where do you think she's going to go later after she's done at the museum? Remember, she's in France, in Paris. So again, write your sentences, make sure they are complete, and then submit it all together. All 3 of these paragraphs, 4 if you want to copy the first one for a model, for credit for this assignment. Au revoir.